Welcome to Smart Classes. Get ready to test your knowledge and learn something new today. Let's begin.
Yeast produces a small amount of what during fermentation? Which bacteria helps in curd formation? Lactobacillus converts milk sugar into what? Curd formation happens faster in which condition? Rhizobium bacteria live in which part of plant? Rhizobium helps plants by fixing what? Which plants have root nodules? Microalgae produce what during photosynthesis? Microalgae are found in which environment? Which microalgae is used as a superfood? Microalgae help in cleaning what? Microorganisms can be what in nature? Which process converts waste into simpler substances? Microorganisms help recycle what in nature? Which condition is needed for microbial growth? Which microorganism is used in making bread? Fermentation is carried out by which organisms? Which gas inflates balloon in yeast experiment? Microorganisms in soil help in forming what? Which microorganism lives in extreme hot springs? Microorganisms are also called what? Which microorganism is multicellular? Which microorganism is unicellular? Microorganisms help in agriculture by what? Without microorganisms, what would happen?
Great job today. Keep learning and growing with smart classes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.